everybody. Yes, this is your girl Sherelle Brown, the Diamond Standard. And today, before we go into our workout, I just want to take a minute to invite you to join me on tonight's call, Freedom is Calling, where we have two special dynamic women set up to share their knowledge about weight loss, detoxing, and how it can help you with your journey. So you don't want to miss it. 9 p.m. Eastern this evening. Now on to our workout routine, ladies. Now you know we were doing our 30 days no roll challenge, and I'm pleased to say, listen, the mountain has surely become a molehill. So today we're starting our journey with hips and thighs. Oh yes, I said it. And so if you are anything like me, where your weight, the majority of your weight is in the lower region, then you should stay tuned for the rest of this segment because we are going to get it done. So I need you to get in that squat position, and we're going to pivot, and we're going to push down, and we're going to keep doing it until it burns. If it does not burn, it is not right. If it isn't tight, it isn't right. So on the count of 3, let's go. 3. Come on, push it down. We're pivoting the hips. We're pivoting the thighs. Your season is out. We have ways to go and a way to get there. So I need you to go back.
Everybody hands go up, and they stay there.